I'm John Walters, and this is your real estate market update. Mortgage rates have been moving up as we head into the spring. Freddie Mac showed an average 30-year fixed rate at 6.22% on March 19th, and then a 6.38% on March 26th. Even with that move higher, rates are still below where they were a year ago, when the 30-year fixed average was 6.65%. So yes, rates have bounced around a little bit. But this is where context matters. Economists are pointing to rising treasury yields, higher oil prices, and uncertainty tied to the conflict in the Middle East as reasons rates are pushed higher. The Mortgage Bankers Association said that those factors are creating pressure across the board. Now here's the part that people need to hear. Even with rates moving up this month, buyers are still walking into a better affordability picture than they've had since last spring. Freddie Mac's chief economist said today's market is still more affordable than a year ago. Freddie Mac's chief economist said today's market is still more affordable than a year ago. And that lines up with what we're seeing in the numbers. In fact, pending home sales in February rose 1.8% compared to January. That tells us that buyers are not disappearing. They're adjusting, watching the market, and stepping in when the numbers make sense. The Federal Reserve also held its benchmark rate steady on March 18th, keeping the federal funds target range at 3.5% and 3.75%. The Fed does not directly set mortgage rates, but its decisions absolutely influence bond markets and treasury yields, which mortgage rates tend to follow. So what does this mean locally? For buyers, this is still a market where preparation matters more than panic. Rates may be a little higher than they were a few weeks ago, but we're still lower than last year, and the more buyers are clearly getting back into the game. For sellers, this means serious buyers are still out there. They have not vanished, but they are more payment conscious than ever. So pricing, presentation, and strategy matter a lot. Bottom line, this market's not frozen. It's sensitive, and the buyers and the sellers who understand the difference usually make the best decision.